Okay, now we got her going. You know, once in a while I get something in the mail. I have absolutely no idea what it is. We've obviously talked to somebody at some time, and they said we're going to send you something. A lot of people don't. Once in a while they do. I see a package here. It came in the mail.
I mean, you help me out here.
And okay, it says fragile. Let's open it up and look and see. Yeah, I don't know what it is. Let's look. They'll open it up. Maybe I'll just tear it up. And we'll find out what it is. I have no idea yet. Buzzard. All right, let's look here and see. We got a hat. Oh, says Hydra on there. And let's see. It doesn't fit too bad. So Hydra hats, and that's pretty cool. So let's. Okay, Hydra. Hydra, Hydra knives, Buzzard, multi-tool, everyday carry, neck knife. That's what it is. Okay. So take a quick look here. Okay, there's some reading, some literature in here. Probably a little bit about the company. We'll go through that. Oh, that looks like what the Buzzard looks like. That's a neck knife right there. And it's got some multi-tools on it, things like that. Hex head nuts, bolts. And then we have the neck knife case, all right, and a little bit of description of how to make some tools out of it. And that's probably the case, tactical clip and stuff. Okay, I'm going through this kind of quick. We're going to have to kind of ad-lib and put it together, it looks like, as I go. And wow, okay. Evidently there's other stuff you can do with it, or it isn't assembled at all, and it is not just a neck knife. I don't even remember talking to anybody that would send me something like this, but we do get things that are sent to us all the time. So we're going to shake this out of here. I do know it's a neck knife. It's made by Hydra, H-Y-D-R-A. Okay, so we get a Hydra patch or Velcro-ish thing. Okay, we're going to have to look here. Looks like we got actually some assembly required. We got an Allen wrench, couple pieces of plastic. We'll put that in there. We have some paracord. That's probably for lashing it to your leg, or excuse me, this one would be around your neck because it is a neck knife. And so then we have the neck knife itself. And let's get that open. It does have some weight to it. Hi, Cobb. You wanna go play ball, buddy? So you do have a neck knife. It appears to be screwed onto this. That might be a belt clip. We're going to have to investigate all of this and see. We got buttons and knobs and stuff like that. But we do have a neck knife that comes out. This would be around, okay. The short one, I'm not really sure what's going on there, because this would be where your goes around your neck if it pulls out from the bottom. Okay, let's turn it over this way. All right, so if that's around your neck, which would be this cord right here. Hi, I'm Brad. How you guys doing? So anyway, put that around your neck, run it through here. Just give it a pull so you got your neck knife there. We got a handle here that actually turns. You know, we're going to have to really sit down and actually figure this out, because there's a lot to this thing. I don't think this is a cheap knife by any means, and I don't see any numbers for the steel on there, what type it is, so we'll have to find out there. But there's a lot to this thing, and but I wanted to give you guys a quick review on taking it out of the box, because I had no idea. We do have a screwdriver bit right there, and that goes in the handle. I seen something somewhere. All right, and you think this is playtime? All right. So we've got looks like maybe a bag to store it in, something to put it in. Either that or it's a pirate flag. I'm gonna have to do some reading and see, because that looks like the sleeve. That might be a neck warmer. I see it's got a hole here. Gonna have to figure that out. Okay. With no advance warning, this is the unpackaging of the Hydra neck knife, and so we're going to quit here in just a little bit, and we'll do another video where I actually sit down and take more time to figure this out, and we'll see what all it is. So this is Brad Buckner, sharpensbest.com. You know, so just you know, here we go. There you go, Hydra neck knife. This is Brad.